everybody. Yeah, I had a wonderful night of sleep. I'll show you outside. Unfortunately, I don't have my balcony like normal, where I have my balcony talk. Hope everybody's having a great day, as I am. It's our sea day today. Oh yeah, so this morning there was some whale sightings. How cool, huh? But unfortunately, I missed them. They were on the other side of the ship, and so yeah, they announce it. That's really kind of neat that they take the time to announce. There's a lady that is hired to observe all day long nature. And so tomorrow when we go through the Inside Passage, they have that opportunity to help you see things. And I thought that was really kind of cool. The last time I went to Alaska was on Princess, and they did the same thing. So yeah, that was kind of neat to hear her talking about, hey, the whales are over on port side about this distance, and so, and unfortunately I was getting some coffee and my battery was dead, and guess what I didn't do? I didn't bring an extra battery. So lesson learned, I didn't have that with me. I could have used my phone. I didn't though. So anyways, today's sea day. Today is really going to be a mellow day for me. I have I'm going to go to trivia right now, which is in the main lobby. But tomorrow is going to be a huge vlogging day for us because it's the Inside Passage, and I think that that's going to be awesome. I do have some more camera equipment for that, so I can zoom in and get some good shots and hopefully see the calving from the iceberg. Pretty cool. Yeah, so glacier. Did I say iceberg? I said iceberg, didn't I? All right. So that's the plan for now. I'm going to go to trivia, and then we'll see you guys after. All right, guys, so I'm on my way to trivia. I thought, oh, that startled me. There was an image of landscapes on the wall, and one was a lady going like this. So anyway, silly me as always. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to trivia right now, see what's going on there. I looked at the planner, and it's really a laid-back day. Is that I actually slept in, so I'm not gonna. I usually don't go. I usually get up about 6 every day, so to sleep until 8:30. Oh my gosh, that's a long time. Anyway, so I'll take you along. See you in a minute. Oh, I got 4. So I'm going to go to, it's time to go to karaoke. So, hi, see you in a minute. Alright guys, so yeah, karaoke was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed my 2 that I was able to film. Then the system broke. They tried to fix it, and it took over an hour, so I was just waiting to see more, and So it never really happened. So anyway, that was karaoke and trivia. That's pretty much what I've done today, is go from one to the other and just kind of relaxed and enjoyed the day. So I just got changed for dinner. It's not dinner time yet, but I figured I'd get ready. And there's a meet and greet for Facebook in about 10 minutes, so I'm going to go to that. I'm not going to do any filming because that is kind of like its own thing. So most sailing dates has a Facebook page, so it's a lot of fun because you get to meet people from all over, and you've already chatted over the first maybe a couple months before your cruise. Depends on when you book it, and you can share information on that Facebook. And so now that you've had that opportunity to chat with them all ahead of time, it's now the reality of getting to meet them all in person. So you did something on a social network, and then you get to meet everybody from there. So kind of fun. We'll see you guys in a bit. Bye-bye. All right, guys. So the sunset is happening right now. That's pretty cool. What's really cool though is it's 10 o'clock at night. So yeah, about another hour or so. I'm just sitting on my bed watching it, and yeah. So I was at dinner. Table mates were pretty fun tonight. Time was just flying by. We started dinner tonight at 7 o'clock, and next thing I know, it's oh my gosh, it's 10 o'clock and it's still sunny out. So yeah, I thought that was really neat. Anyway, so I'm going to continue this episode on the next day, because I literally just filmed 2 things today. So, but yeah, and then I have a lot going on when we go to shore on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We have Friday is Tracy Arms, and then Saturday is Juno, and then Sunday is Catch a Can. So I've got some things planned for those 3 days, and one of them is going to be a mind blower for me. I've never done it, and I can't wait to see. And yeah, so that's the plan for now, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning. Oh my gosh, I had a great night's sleep, and we're coming into Tracy Arm Strait, and yeah, the water is so calm. It's beautiful. I can start seeing some land over there. But this is a great view, huh? Yeah. Alright guys, it's coffee time. I gotta get some right now. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, got my coffee. Hey, check this out. I'm just sitting by myself here, and I've been here for maybe a half an hour, and people are so social. Everybody's so social, so I haven't stopped talking to people, and it's been like that for like 2 days now, where I'm just sitting by myself, and then someone comes up and they just start talking. And yeah, it's about Alaska. That's so cool. So check out the view I have right now. We're just coming in, and you can't see them, but there's been some ice floating in the water. And as we get closer, the icebergs will be there. Pretty slick. Anyway, yeah, there's so in the Facebook group that I joined, there's a handful of people that we've been hanging out with, and with those, we're supposed to meet on deck 4 today. There's like the deck below the ship, or lifeboats, and they set up a whole bunch of lounges. So hopefully I can grab one of those. It's getting already to be, let's see, it's about 8 o'clock right now. and so we're not going to be at the glacier until noon. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. Alright, I'll show you guys around. See you in a minute. Oh, getting ready for the wildlife adventure coming up. Look at all these beautiful mountains. Guys, so I've got the photo camera because I do take photography seriously. So I've got my camera for vlogging, which I'm talking to you guys with now, and then this is for photography. And whew, man, this is the place. If you're a photographer, this is the place to go because you're gonna see a lot of good things. So yeah, good times. I'm ready. All right, I'm going to go back up on deck and try to find me a spot that's going to be perfect for this. No, I'm so excited. I don't know if you can tell. And we got little glimpse of sun popping out here and there. So, all right, I'm on my way. See you in a minute.
Well, it's a great day to have some binoculars in order to see those seals, those whales, and of course those mountain goats when we get into the fjords themselves, because those goats are quite hard to see because they go very, very high. So if you want to get a pair of binoculars, it's usually highly recommended, just so you can get the most out of the day. So go and see our photo team located on the leader deck and on the gallery on deck 4.
All right, there's been some whale sightings on the other side. I'm on my way. I'll bring you guys along.